breakdowns can happen at any time, and this little Honda's getting a bit hot under the collar. Better investigate. The top radiator hose is damaged, but a replacement is not immediately available and the customer needs to continue his journey. What to do? Open up the new professional hose repair kit from Connect Consumables. You'll find a comprehensive selection of straight hoses, right angle hoses, pipe connectors and hose clips. We'll demonstrate just how quickly and easily you can make a professional and long-lasting repair to this top hose. This heavy-duty pipe cutter is included in the kit, and it lets you make a clean, straight cut in seconds. Now choose a suitable diameter replacement section from the kit. Use the old hose to measure, and cut to size. Now choose the correct size of pipe connector and a couple of hose clips. They're all provided in the kit. Now that is a professional repair. All we have to do is top up with coolant and we will be back on the road in a few minutes. This kit is the ideal solution when original replacements are not quickly available and essential for breakdown recovery operators and general vehicle workshops.